This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream. Making delicious homemade ice cream is simpler than you might think, requiring just a few basic ingredients and some patience. You'll need heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and your favorite flavorings, like vanilla extract. The key to success begins with preparing your equipment, especially ensuring your ice cream maker's bowl is thoroughly chilled, ideally for a full 24 hours in the freezer. This initial step is crucial for achieving that perfect creamy texture. Once your base is ready and your machine is cold, it's time for the magic of churning. Carefully pour your chilled ice cream mixture into the frozen bowl of your ice cream maker. Turn on the machine and let it churn for about 20 to 30 minutes. During this time, the mixture will gradually thicken, transforming into a delightful soft-serve consistency. Churning is vital because it continuously breaks up ice crystals, ensuring your ice cream is wonderfully smooth and creamy, not icy. Now for the fun part, customizing your ice cream with incredible flavors and mix-ins. During the final 5 minutes of churning, you can add your chosen flavor extracts, like a generous teaspoon of pure vanilla. Once the churning stops, gently fold in any solid additions you desire. Think about chocolate chips, fresh berries, or crushed cookies. It's best to add these after churning to ensure they are evenly distributed throughout your creamy creation, giving you a delightful surprise in every spoonful. After churning, your ice cream will be soft, similar to soft serve. To achieve that perfect scoopable texture, transfer it into an airtight container. Place the container in your freezer for at least 4 hours or even overnight, allowing it to firm up completely. When you're ready to enjoy, let it sit out for a few minutes at room temperature. This brief rest makes it much easier to scoop, ensuring you get perfect, creamy portions every time. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.